What's up? Hey! Bring that battery back this way, and we're gonna move this. That ain't gonna fit. I want it to. But that ain't gonna make it so, I don't think. But I do want it to. Yeah, of course. No battery. Yeah, that's going to be too tight, and we've got to push this one. Basically, my problem is this here Suburban gets picked up. What the hell is he doing? What's up? Yo! What are you... Back here! All Euros, same thing too, mostly. They all have a pop button. I was wondering, what are you doing? Learning curve. Man, it's tight, but I'm gonna try it. It's a little tight, but I'm gonna go back all the way to the fence. Don't let me hit the water main. It might be a gas main. Hey! Wrong bitch. I guess she just looks like the owner. Yeah. She looks just like the owner. She must just be working there today. I knew I should have let it warm up. Hey, move the mirror on this side if you would, on the passenger. Out, out, out. There's a pipe back there, don't let me hit it. Collaborate and listen. He said, okay, stop, in case you missed that. Wow, wild orchid. Well, geez, dude, I could have went farther than that. You bury a body in between there. Hang on, let's see if we can make it. Nah, we need every inch we can get. That's what she said. I couldn't miss that one. Perfect. Hope it's not a poisonous plant.
Now we're making some room.
Okay, if we're really good, well, I'm gonna try this. Pop the hood, but there's no reverse in this car. So, maybe there's enough to get it rolling. Yeah, it's already popped, just go to the front. And be careful, that side will bind up. Okay, so oh, there we go. Of course it would be the wrong kind. Why would it be easy? Yeah, not all the way, but let it close. Let's see, just push on the front, I'll push on the side, and we'll see if we can just... Oh, God. There we go. We looking okay over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Hang on. Ah, fuck, that hurt. Come on, baby. Okay, front. I think we're gonna, I'm gonna turn it out. We'll go forward a bit to where we got a better angle at it. Because we're gonna mess up right here. I can see it coming. Okay. Perfect.
Now we're going back?
Yeah. Should be easy now. Or easier. Come on now. Come on now. I'm gonna have to get in. Once it stops, it's hard to get going again. Almost. Yeah, baby. Cadillac corner.
Yeah, I can do this all day if you're fucking pad.
They charge for this at the gym, that's true. It's a true fact. Okay, the easy one. Just put the battery in that white car and pull it on up in there.
Oh, the Mercedes?
Yes, sir.
I love Mercedes, man.
I do.
Bro, it's catching my eye.
Batteries in the Suburban. Battery. I don't think you got a battery. He didn't understand me. Okay. The sweat in my eyes. It's killing me. Got to get to the steam room to where I can detoxify. That's not what it's called. But you get my drift. What is he doing? What are you doing?
This one, right?
What?
You said move this one?
Yeah, but I'm telling you there's probably no battery in it.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking for the key as well. There is no key.
Is there a battery? Check real quick. There's nothing to open in here, man. It's just the back. Same thing.
No. I'm gonna put it in.
Yeah, and I'm gonna have to go in and look for the battery. The key. Oh yeah, it's out here now. That's right. And just back this one back there instead after you put the battery in. I'll be back.